Assalamu alaikum Tarbia youngsters. Welcome to another episode of Art Segment. And this time we have a very special material that we like to pop. What could that be? Bubble wrap. So how are we going to use this to make art? Very simple. So follow my steps so as to make art with bubble wrap. Okay? First, you will need bubble wrap, a pair of scissors, and a marker pen for your first part. So you'll take a circular material and draw around. And then you close your pen. You'll take a pair of scissors. Remember to ask mommy to help you with the pair of scissors because it's very sharp and it's quite hard to cut the bubble wrap. Then you'll cut round, round, round. I'm almost done. Are going to draw a circular shape. So I'm just going to use a color pencil here to draw the circular shape. Okay, in the middle, let me put it on the midsection here or on the top. Round and round. So once you're done drawing your circle, take your fork and a place where you can paste your paint. And then pour your paint a bit. It's a bit sticky. If you want, you can add more. And then I'm gonna take my paint and then I'm gonna paste it around. Make sure it paste your color. Then once you're done pasting your color, you can use any color. Now it's time to use the bubble wrap. What we're going to do is take your paint, okay, add a bit of some liquid, We're almost done. Oopsie, I've touched my paint. Then you come and paste. Let's paste. Let's paste. Press, you press. And then you reveal. So the areas where you don't have enough paint, you can add more press. Simple. Then you take your paintbrush. I'm going to add it in water. Then I'm going to take my green paint a bit with some water. Then I'm going to make a stem. A nice stem. Then I'm going to make a leaf. My leaves. You see, you can make art with bubble wrap. Then once you're done, make sure your stem reaches down, and I'm going to paint the grass a bit down here. Add some water. We're almost done with our painting. As you can see, our painting is so simple. You just need bubble wrap and paint, and your tiny little hands to paint this. So you can see my flower over here that I made with the bubble wrap, okay? So I hope you have enjoyed this episode and you have learned how to make art using bubble wrap. So join me in the next episode. Tarbia youngsters. Fi amanillah.